Welcome back everyone to the quiz series in this new emoji quiz challenge. In today's quiz, we will play Guess the Famous Meme Boo Emoji. Are you ready? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, the quiz series, for more interesting quizzes and challenges. Alright, let's play quiz. Let's start with first emoji. Guess the meme. The correct answer is Sigma face meme. Who can guess this meme emoji? The correct answer is 1, 2, buckle my shoes.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks.
Can you guess this meme by emoji? Answer is Megalovania. What about this meme emoji? Guess this meme. Correct answer is Guy Gadget. What do you think about this meme emoji? Answer is John Cena being chilling. Let's check who can find the odd one out. What do you think? So, this is the odd one. Who find it right? Comments down. Can you guess this meme by emoji? The correct answer is Skibidi Toilet. Do you know which meme emoji is this? The answer is I shall speed.
No.
Guess the meme by emoji. The answer is The Rock. Which meme emoji is this? The answer is that one guy. Who can guess this meme emoji? The correct answer is Kerseven Suyu.
Muchas gracias, afición. Esto es para vosotros.
What do you think? Who can find out the odd one? So, this is the odd one. Who find it right? Comments down. Any idea about this meme emoji? The correct answer is skibbity dom dom.
Skibidi dop 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 dop. Yes 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 yes. Dip skibidi dip skibidi double.
What do you think about this meme emoji? The correct answer is Dr. Livesey.
Oh, shit.
Do you know which meme emoji is this? Correct answer is Among Us Sus.
Dum dum.
Which character is real? Can you guess the real character? The correct answer, real character, is option A. What about this meme emoji? Guess this meme. Answer is the coffin dance. I think everyone can guess this. This one is easy, right? Can you guess? Answer is Happy Cat. Happy, happy, happy. This one is tricky. Can you find 3 differences? Let's check. So, these are the differences. Who found all 3 differences? Comments down. And the last one, any guesses about this meme emoji? The correct answer is Rickroll. So you completed the quiz. Thank you for watching the video. If you have fun, let us know in the comment. And if you are new to the channel, then must check out the previous amazing quiz video. You will enjoy and you will have fun. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Quiz Series, for more quizzes like this. We hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.